Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. To make this lemon tea, first we are going to turn on the gas and place the saucepan over the gas. Now I am going to add 1 cup of water. Let it boil. Now add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves. Turn off the gas and cover the saucepan for few seconds. Now time to strain the water. Oh, the pan is very hot. Do it carefully. Lemon tea, it contains vitamin C and good for our liver. Helps us to lose weight also. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and add 2 teaspoon of honey. Okay, here is a trick. Now I am going to add just a pinch of rock salt or pink salt. Stir it well. Our lemon tea is ready to serve. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.